Can you see the sweat dripping off of my face? Holy macaroni, that was really intense. I mean, wouldn't you agree? Whew. Oh my gosh. Welcome back, you guys, to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to increase your endurance in your workouts. I'm going to be doing a HIIT style training endurance workout. And this is really going to challenge you, and you are going to see results if you start incorporating this into your weekly workout. Okay, so get ready. This is gonna be tough, but I need you to just push through it. Push through so that you can increase that endurance. That is the point, it's enduring more. So you can do this endurance training either before a workout or after a workout. Now, if you do it before a workout, your legs are probably going to be a little bit more jello. So I would suggest doing this on maybe an arm day. That is really going to up your endurance, up your intensity, up your progress, your results. You have to push hard. If you want results, you gotta just push hard. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Trust me. If I can do it, you can do it. I don't always have good workout days, but the thing is that I go, I get it done. Nobody's workouts are perfect 100% of the time, so please don't get down on yourself if you feel like you just don't want to work out. Sometimes half the struggle is just getting there and getting going. Make sure you are taking at least one day in the week rest and doing absolutely nothing so your body can regenerate. There is such thing as overtraining, and that can really exhaust you both mentally and physically. And in the long run, you won't be able to train and get the results that you want. So just be aware of that, and yeah, have a great workout, and I'll see you. Okay, here we go with the very first set of squat jumps. You are going to throw your hands up in the air like you just don't care and reach through the roof. I was definitely dying after the first set. These are very challenging. I seriously need to do more of this, but you know, I'm trying to build muscle right now, so I'm trying to not do as much cardio, and I can definitely feel it. Not to say that you cannot build muscle while you are doing cardio, but I am just trying to really bulk 100% as much as I possibly can. I'm just going extreme, so just want to clarify that. Okay, so I did the first set, and then I waited 10 seconds, and then I'm going right back into my second set of 20. I'm doing this 3 times. Oh my gosh, I died. I just died. So basically, you're going to squat back into your heels. Make sure you squeeze your glutes. Keep your shoulders back and down. This is like a regular squat. So be really careful that your head stays above your hips. You don't want to dip your head below your glutes, because then you're just going to be in some funky position. And that really defeats the purpose of a squat. You want to make sure that in between your sets you're not sitting down, that you're just kind of standing up, maybe tapping your toes back and forth like I'm doing right here. Keep your heart rate up. Do not put your head below your heart. Just grab a little water, and you're going to go right into your third set. Okay, so for all you beginners out there, you're going to just squat down, touch the ground, and press up onto your toes, and you're gonna go as fast as you can. Now, you really try to get those jumps in there. You can even start with jumps and then finish like this, but I want you to push yourself. Come on, breathe through it. You can do it. For about 45 seconds to a minute, grab water, do what you need to do. Then you're gonna go right into your second exercise, which is single leg reverse jump lunges. These really burn. So you're going to try your hardest to do 20 reps on each side. If you can't, just go for what you can. I would suggest doing all 20. If you need to stop for a second and just like catch your breath and do that, just finish. Doesn't matter how long it takes you to finish this exercise or this workout, as long as you just finish it. So then the next time when you do it, you are going to finish in less time. So it's all about your progress, nobody else's. It's you against you. Be your best self every day and be your own motivation. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the other side. I literally had to just walk it off for like 1 second, and then I went right into the other side. I was still dying right here though, but you know what? In this case, no pain, no gain. That is not always the case though. So I am just pushing through it because I know I can eat a lot of food after this, and I'm really excited for that. I'm just like imagining all this yummy food. I just love food. So like the higher your endurance with weight training and cardio like this, the faster metabolism you have and the more yummy, delicious foods you can eat. Healthy, of course. So just remember with this exercise, really use your arms to shoot up into the air, press off of that toe, and then reverse back into that heel. Just give it all you got. Go through the roof. Okay, so for all you beginners, here's your modification. You're just gonna reach back with your toe, press through your heel, pull your belly button into your spine, and you're just gonna go as quickly as you possibly can right here. Really working on that front leg and feeling the burn. Next exercise, we have jump, punch, side lunges, otherwise known as skaters. So I'm really using my arms as well in this exercise. As you can see, I'm punching from side to side. This actually helps me go a lot faster and helps me from falling over. So if you just hold your arms out in front of you, you might have a hard time going a little bit quicker. Okay, so you're really pushing off of the side of your foot. You're working your inner, your outer thighs. You're pushing off of the toe. You're using your arms and you're punching the air from side to side here, pulling your belly button into your spine, and make sure to really breathe. Okay, here's a modification for the beginners. You're going to squat as low as you possibly can. My legs are about jello right now. You're going to just tap behind your other foot, pressing all your weight into your heels, pull your belly button into your spine, swing those arms, and try to go as fast as you possibly can. Now again, really try to get those hops in there. Try to jump maybe 5 or 10, and then if you can't do any more, then you can just chill out and do the modification. Okay, here we go into traveling jump, squat, hops. We're just gonna travel across the floor, jumping as far as you can and as high as you can. And I can tell you right now, I am about dead. I'm about ready for this whole thing to be done, but I'm gonna feel amazing afterwards. Again, I'm really using my arms to like pull my body, whether it's forward, back, up, or down. Yeah, I need a minute there. All right, so this is the beginner or modification. You're just going to jump forward and then squat down. Jump forward and then squat down. So just really feel it out, get the momentum. Like I said, do your best. And that's all you can do, because you are awesome, boo. Yay, last exercise. These are jump lunges, but I want you to stay super duper low. Okay, so no standing up straight. You keep those knees bent. You're gonna feel the burn in the quads. Sit back into the heels, squeeze your butt, pull your belly button in, use your arms to really go quicker. Here is the beginner modification for you. So just little hops. You can choose whether or not you wanna go quicker. Remember, endurance training is about enduring a lot. So really push yourself. You got this. I know you can do it. And then after you've done 3 sets, then you are done. I am dead. All right, guys, I'm gonna go eat. Let me know if you have questions. Bye. You're going to do all of these 15 to 20 reps. Really push yourself. You're gonna rest for 10 seconds, and then you're gonna repeat it again. Even if you have to rest for a second before you finish your set, do it. Just push yourself. That is the point of endurance training. Whew. So the whole entire workout will be written in the description box below for beginners and advanced. I did do modifications for you guys like you saw. So I hope you enjoyed that workout. Don't forget to like this, share, subscribe to my channel so that you never miss this face Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys later. Bye.